your host, DJ Maestro Rovia.
I know I see that I was sleeping, but I couldn't say.
Okay, stay tuned to our R&B YouTube, your number one station show, Sizzling Pino. Okay, this is a song by Nora Jones titled Rain.
It's hard to listen to a heart being close to mine, pounding up against the stone and steel walls that I won't climb.
Studio B ng Star Talk sa Channel 7, yung bagong-bago nilang studio. Well, yun ang ika-13th year anniversary ng Star Talk. Naganap ito nung last October 18, 2008 sa Studio B, GMA Network, Channel 7. Siyempre naman, nagsalo-salo tayo dyan. Tinimbitan naman tayo dyan. At 13th anniversary. Siyempre, nang imbitan tayo dyan, kumain tayo. At silang mga crew dyan ang kumustahan sila, chika-chika sila. Dami makikita natin sila. Nagkakasiyan, nagkakatuwaan. At ako nga pa na-shot. At nung nakaraan yun, wala pa yung photographer nila. Kaya ako lang natin yung photographer. Okay!
Some things you want will just never be right. Just never rain like it has tonight before. Now I don't wanna beg you, baby, for something maybe you could never give. I'm not looking for the rest of your life. I just want another chance to live. Strange how hard it rains now. Rows and rows of big dark clouds, but I'm holding on underneath this shroud. Rain, strange how hard it rains now. Rows and rows of big dark clouds, but I'm holding on underneath this shroud. Rain, strange how hard it rains now. Rows and rows of
Host natin ng Star Talk si Lolet Soles, si Butch Francisco, Alicia Alano, at siyempre walang ibang komedyanteng kilalang-kilala at inidulo ng lahat si Chewy De Leon.
Sabi po yung kasama yata.
Nakita ko nila yun. Ako nga, ang treatment ko sa trabaho ko, hindi ako hindi ako bida. Tingin ko dyan, empleyado. Ganun dapat. Pag nagawa nilang ganun, okay na yun. One good step.
Sabi po niya, may sabla dito.
Hindi, ako hanggang ngayon, ayoko sabihin nasa dugo nito. Basta importante dyan, after ilang panahon, tanungin mo sarili mo, nag-i-enjoy ka ba? Pag nasagot mo, oo, maganda yun. Gumigising ka ba on time? Tatanungin mo ulit yan lagi, paulit-ulit na 100%. Oo, pag nasagot mo na on lagi yan, same answer to the same question, year after year.
Chairman Laguardia na masaya daw siya na okay na daw po kayo ng
Mabuti naman at masaya sila. Mabuti naman.
Kasi ano naman daw lambot naman daw ang puso mo pagdating sa mga ganyan.
Okay lang. Yun nga sinasabi ko hindi naman ako nag-uumpisa ng lahat. Ako'y nagre-react lang. Sabi ko nga, kung nila ako aawayin dahil nag-i-enjoy ako. Joke lang.
Anniversary po.
Ay, salamat. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Yeah, once again, this is a song titled Sunrise by Nora Jones.
Sunrise, sunrise, looks like morning in your eyes, but the clock's held 9:15 full hours. Sunrise, sunrise, couldn't tempt us if it tried, 'cause the afternoon's already come and gone. And I said, ooh, couldn't find it in your eyes, but I'm sure it's written all over my face. Surprise, surprise, never something I could hide. When I see we made it through another day, then I say, ooh, ooh. Throw its cover down on me again. Ooh, and if I'm right, it's the only way to bring me back. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, do you